Welcome to our English learning video. Today you will learn simple hotel conversations that beginners can use in real life. Let's start.
Hello, I have a reservation.
Welcome to our hotel. Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, here it is.
What is your name?
My name is Ali.
How many nights will you stay?
I will stay for 3 nights.
Your room is ready.
Thank you very much.
Here is your room key.
Thank you. Which floor is my room on?
It is on the 3rd floor.
Where is the elevator?
It is over there.
Can you help me with my bags?
Of course.
What time is breakfast?
Breakfast starts at 7.
Where is the restaurant?
It is on the ground floor.
Can I have some water?
Yes, certainly.
The room is very nice.
I am glad you like it.
How do I use the Wi-Fi?
The password is on the desk.
The air conditioner is not working.
We will check it right away.
Can I get an extra towel?
Yes, we will bring one.
I need room service.
What would you like to order?
I would like a sandwich.
Sure.
Can I have a wake-up call?
What time would you like it?
Please call me at 6.
No problem.
Where is the swimming pool?
It is behind the hotel.
Is the gym open now?
Yes, it is open.
Can I check out today?
Yes, you can.
What is my total bill?
Your total is $100.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
I enjoyed my stay.
We are happy to hear that.
The service was excellent.
Thank you very much.
I will visit again.
We look forward to seeing you.
Goodbye.
Have a nice day. Great job! You learned 30 simple hotel conversations in English. Keep practicing these sentences every day, and your English speaking will improve quickly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice with us again in the next video.